more birthdays to come. I want you to make a wish and blow your candles. Ladies and gentlemen, celebrate! Here at the beautiful world of Carlo, give it up for Mami Melibia!
Where's she get all that energy from? I'm impressed. Calling you, babe. Let's get up.
A little embarrassed, but I totally forgot to get in my roast. So, I hate to put you on the spot, but I want to give you an opportunity if you wanted to share a few words for your family.
Rinaldi, Sir Rinaldi, somebody texted me tonight. Everyone, especially the family and relatives, please pay attention right now to the screen before the celebrant will give or take a speech in acknowledgement. This is a special video greetings for you, Mami and Melinda.
Hi, Tita Mel. Greetings from Canada. We wanted to wish you a happy birthday. We love you so, so much. You're my favorite grandma. I'm sure Mommy's favorite Tita. We had a great time together back in the Philippines, and